Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What's your name? What's your name?
Cassandra.
Nice name.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Sufyan. I'm from Morocco. I'm eating my breakfast. You see?
So it's more time over there.
This is my friends. You are
Where you
beautiful
from?
girl. I'm from Morocco. Oh, I'm from Morocco. And you, where are you from?
I am from Colorado. I'm in the U.S.
What?
I live in Colorado.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you. تلا. لا ديروا فوق تما. حطوا فوق شي ولا حطوا في البلاصة ديالكم. I'm so happy because I'm chatting with you. How old are you?
I'm 23.
What? How old are you?
23.
Nice. Yes. I was born in 1994. You understand me? I'm not speaking English very well. Oh.
Okay.
How is it?
No, that's it.
19.
1000.
لا ماشي هيك.
What about you?
19.
Huh?
Wait, how do you know if you're saying nasty stuff?
1994 اسمع ماشي 1001.
1000.
ولا 1994.
Yes. What are you doing in your life?
I'm just guessing. Oh, I thought you like knew his language or something.
Yeah, I'm working in bakery.
No, I'm to the guest. I'm talking to him, not you. Him.
Yeah, good, nice. What time now in your country?
It's gonna be 12. 12 midnight.
12 a.m. p.m.
Yeah, 12 a.m.
Wait me, please. Wait me. Speak with me, friends. Hi, sweetie.